All right, so again, same process here. We are going to look at the y-intercept. So we got -4, and we have -6. So that should tell us that we have, this is line 1, this is line 2. So line 1 would be this right here, and line 2 would be this one. So both of them actually tell us that y is greater than x. So for both of these, the shading has to go on the top part. So the shading for line 1 would be this top part right here. And the shading for line 2 would be the top, which is considered this section. So again, based off of that, let's try to graph out the points. So we have -6 and -8. -6 and -8, which would be a solution to line 2, but that's it. 9 and -7 falls over here. That's a solution to line 1. -2 and 1 is a one that falls within both solutions. And finally, we have 1 and -7, which falls outside, which is a solution to none of them. But the solution should be -2 and 1. And again, this is just a summary of what it should look like. Last example. Again, let's look at a y-intercept. That's the easiest way to locate the lines. So this is line 1, line 2. The y-intercept is 2 over here, so this is line 2. And then -1, this is line 1. So let's think about our shading. Y is greater than x, y is less than x. So if y is greater than x, that means that the shading for line 1 should be on this top part right here. And then the shading for line 2 would be on the bottom section, which ends up shading this region right here. So let's look back, let's look again at our solutions. 3 and 2. I'm just going to go ahead and do this again just so we can see. Again, the shading that matters, the shading that has both solutions would be in here. So 3 and 2 falls in here, so that's actually the solution that we're looking for. But let's look at the other ones. -1 and 2. That would fall, and I believe it was a solution to line 1. -1 and 1 ends up being a solution to line 2. And -3 and 2 was no solution to either one of them. So the first one, 3 and 2, is our answer. And again, summary of what that should look like. Our shading is this section right here.